Good evening, everyone. So today we are going to learn how to prepare a quiz with the help of Google Form. I have gone to the Google search engine. To Google search engine, I have typed as Google Forms. There is a sign in option. I'm just going to click the sign in option. Once I click the sign in option, it will take me to the forms area. There are multiple forms here. You can see it, all those forms of the reasons form which I'm working out. So I'm going to start a new test. So I'm just going to click on blank form. Once I click it, the blank form is already opened. So I'm going to type down the title. So to do that, I will just copy it. I have already put in the word. The title is quiz 19 2020. So after doing this, I can also, after clicking here, I can also click here so that the title will be there. Whenever you come to the form, you will understand. If this title is not there, you have to go inside and try to understand it. So just click here one time so that it will take whatever title you are given. The next thing is, I'm just going to give instruction to the students with the help of description here. I'm just pasting it. You can type it. Then we'll go to the first question is already here. You click it on this. The question is ready. I'm just going to pick the question here. What is coronavirus? I'm just going to copy it in the form. And there is option. Multiple choice. I've selected it. So I'm going to give an option by. First option is large family of virus. The second option is it belongs to family of nidovirus. Third option says both A and B is correct. And fourth option is A is correct. There are four options here. So I know which is the correct option. Click this, check this box. I'll go to the next question. The next question is the birthplace of coronavirus is. I'm just going to paste it here. You can type it down. Option 1 multiple choice USA, option 2 Spain, option 3 Wuhan, and option 4 we have it Italy. So 4 options have taken it. Again, I'm going to check this box. So this quiz questions, 2 questions are ready. You can prepare all the questions, then you can go and convert into a quiz. You have to, for converting into quiz, you have to go for settings option here, and in general you want to collect a email ID, you can write it down. If not, don't check this box. But here, if you tick mark this, only the person who's having ISMS email ID, the college ID, only they can give this quiz, others cannot give it. If I uncheck it, anyone who is not having also can give it. So I'm just going to check this, and we have to limit the response to 1 so that the person will not send the other friends survey. So I'm just going to click it here. Okay, then I will go to edit all those things. Please do not check it. We are just giving a right to them. So I will go to the quiz. Under quiz, I need to mark it, check this box, keep this box, check box on, make this a quiz. Then immediately after submission, yes, I want them to see after submitting the result. Miss question, what is the correct answer, what is the point value, all those things. I'm just, after doing all those things, I'm just going to save it. I also can add, okay, I also can add one more question here. I need to click it. I should add one more question. The question will be student name. I can also have a student register number also. So again, not short answer, multiple choice or drop down. I'm going to give a drop down. So in drop down, I can directly copy from the Excel sheet. So I'm having an Excel sheet here. The names are given here. So I will just copy the names directly from here. No need to type each one by one. I have to just copy it to avoid the mistake. Students will make a mistake. I will go to this option here, and I'm going to paste the names here. So the names are, you can see that the name is already pasted here. If you don't want anyone not to write the notes, you can directly remove from there or here. So drop down is already done. Again, this is a required point. I'm just keeping it. There is no answer key, no need to give answer key. So this is about the required point. So I already went and did the quiz. All those things are ready. Now we have to give the answer. For do that, we have to go to the question number 1. I'm just going to click on this, click on answer key, and once you click on answer key, it will ask number of points you have to give it. I should make it 10 points or 5 points, whatever you want. So after this, I know what is the correct answer. I need to tick the correct answer. I know the correct answer is E and B. So the correct answer, you can see a green color here, tick mark, done. So this is already done, the point plus what is the correct answer. Second question, the birthplace of coronavirus is, I know it is Wuhan, so I'm just going to click on answer key. Then I'm going to give a point 10 marks for this. I'm going to click as Wuhan, and I'm just going to give it as done. So my quiz is already ready. So to send the quiz, I can go to the send option here. Okay, click on send and directly go to the link here, shorten the link here. I can copy this link here, or you can click copy, it will copy it. Then I can close this. I can go to the Word document, I can go to the WhatsApp, wherever it is I can send the link to the students. At the time, whatever time we agreed, that time we can send the link. So let me do a trial and see how it works out. I will go to preview. You can see a preview here and submit and see how it looks, how our quiz. So this is what we have entered. Now student name, I'm going to select one student name. It is must. If I don't select student name, it will not get submitted because we have already marked here the red color one, must. So I'm just going to select some student name. Let me select Abhilash. And what is coronavirus? Large number of virus. I know the answer is correct, but let me select the both A and B correct answer. Here I know it is 1, but I will select the wrong answer to see how it evaluates. I'm just going to submit it. Once I'm submitting it, your response has been recorded, so I can directly view score. 1 is correct, 1 was wrong. We have submitted, so 10 points I got it out of 20. So Alex, his one question is correct, 1 is wrong. So this is how you're going to see the point. Students are going to see the score. And if I want to submit one more time, I cannot submit it. Even if I want to submit, it will tell very clearly you cannot submit it, already it is submitted. So let us see one more preview whether it is able to submit or not. See, already it is submitted. You have already responded, so we can view the score, but we cannot submit it. So that is a one way of doing it. After doing this, responses will be coming here. To make sure, after 15 minutes you're going to click the link. Okay, you have to go here and there is a accepting responses there. You need to uncheck this. Now it is not accepting responses, which is in red color. So I will go to preview again. There I can see the option here, the form COVID-19 quiz is no longer accepting responses. So after 15 minutes, this is how we are going to close the link. If you want somebody to again answer it, somebody has technical problem, if you consider it, then in that case I need to check box again, give him for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, he has to answer it. That I can do it. Now after getting the responses, I can directly download here, click here, go to download options, download responses, and do it. If I want to delete individual also, I can do it. I can go to individual. I know which person, who is this Abhilash. I can delete directly his form. I can do that in the Google form. Thank you. Hope this quizzes explanation is easy. Any doubts, any clarification, you can call me. Thank you.